In this tutorial, I will show you that how you can reset YouTube recommendations in just few easy steps. So let's dive right in. Firstly, you need to open up your favorite browser, and here it will showing these sum of dots. Click here and open YouTube from here. After opening YouTube, now to reset recommendations, on the right upper side, it will show you this icon of your Gmail ID. Click here and then you need to open this your data in YouTube. From here, if you scroll down, you will find here this YouTube watch history. You need to open it and scroll it down. Here you will find this turn off YouTube history. Click here and then simply pause it from here, right bottom side. Click here, got it, and then you need to open this manage history. It will take you to this new page where you will find this delete option. Click here and then you can select delete all time, confirm delete, and got it. And now if you open up your YouTube, it will reset your YouTube recommendations. And after searching the specific topics on YouTube, it will start recommending according to that topics that you will search. So that's how you can reset YouTube recommendations in just few easy steps.